There are many ways to make money online. 7 best ways are the topic of this video. The first one is to sell products or services on an e-commerce platform like Amazon, Etsy, eBay or Shopify. You can create your own products or source products from other suppliers to sell. The retail e-commerce sales worldwide in 2022 was 5.7 trillion US dollars and is expected to grow by 14% to 6.5 trillion US dollars in 2023. With a forecast of 8.5 trillion US dollars in 2026. This is one of the best way to become millionaire fast. Here, the product quality and the honesty is the key. Second one on the list is to offer freelance services in a specific area of expertise such as writing, design, programming, or online marketing. There are websites that can help you find freelance work like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelance.com. This way is the best for no upfront cost except your time. If you're good at writing or creating content, then the third one is for you, which is to create and monetize a blog or YouTube channel by sharing your knowledge, expertise, and experience in a specific niche like cooking, marketing, parenting, technology, health, wealth, and travel. Next one also has a great potential of getting rich quick, which is the affiliate marketing by promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission from such sales made through your unique affiliate link. There will be a separate video on this topic soon. The fifth one is the most unusual but successful concept to make money online. That is to buy and sell domain names or websites. This is a highly lucrative way to make money online. If you are able to find valuable domain names or websites that are undervalued and can be resold at a higher price. A little more on this topic is that there are several ways to buy and sell domain names or websites like on online marketplaces like Flippa, GoDaddy, Auction, and Sedo. These platforms offer a wide variety of domain names and websites for sales as well as tools to help you list and sell your own domain names or websites. Go and check out these marketplaces. There are also domain name forums like NamePros and DN Forum. These forums allows you to connect with other domain names, investors, and buyers to negotiate deals with them. Now the sixth one is to create and sell online courses or ebooks on a subject you are knowledgeable about. There are many platforms that can help you with this, such as Udemy or Teachable. Now the seventh one is to offer consultancy services or coaching to individuals or businesses in your areas of expertise. There are online coaching platforms like coach.me, Take Lessons, and CoachUp. And for consulting jobs, use LinkedIn and do professional networking in your area of expertise to get more projects. Congratulations if you have seen the video this far. Now I will share with you a secret tip, which is the easiest way of making money online in 2023, and that is to use ChatGPT. This artificial intelligence services engine will be a source of highly specified information creation, which can be used for content creation, blog post writings, and other types of written content. A complete video will be made on this important topic and the link to this will be shared with you in the description soon. Last but not least, please share your views on the video, and add if you have any more ways that would be left in the discussion for making money online.